RS Agrawal, page number 539, trigonometry, exercise 10, problem number 15. We are given here sin theta equal to 3 by 5. Then we have to prove this. This sin theta, we will take a right angle triangle where theta is acute angle here. Sin theta means P by H. The P by H, sin theta means P by H. P by H, P is 3, H is 4. We will find here B equal to H square minus P square. 16 minus 9, root 7. Here cosec theta, cot theta and sec theta are involved here. We will find the value of cosec theta, cot theta and sec theta. Cosec theta this, cot theta this, sec theta this. Now we will put the value of cosec theta, cot theta, sec theta in LHS. In LHS, cosec theta is here 4 by 3. Square is given here 16 by 9 minus cot theta is here root 7 by 4, root 7 square 7 by cot theta. Cot theta is root 7 by 3 to 7 by 9, 7 by 9. Sec theta is here root 7 4 by root 7. So 16 by 7. We will take LCM and solve. We will get the result as RHS root 7 by 3. Okay. If 3 cot theta is 4, prove that 3 cot theta is equal to 4. Prove that 3 cot theta, prove that 1 minus 10 square theta, 1 minus 10 square theta upon 1 plus 10 square theta is equal to cos square theta minus sin square theta. Cos square theta minus sin square theta. Here we are given here 3 tan theta. We are given here 3 cot theta equal to 4. So cot theta equal to 4 upon 3. 4 upon 3. In similar manner, we will take a right angle triangle. This is 90, this is theta, this is P, this B, this will H, and here cot theta means D upon P. 4 upon 3, B is here 4, P is 3. We will find H equal to P square minus B square. 3 square 9 plus 16 25. 25 square root of 25 is 5. Now we will find the value of tan theta, cos theta and sin theta, because tan theta, cos theta, sin theta are involved here. Now find the value of tan theta. Tan theta we know, as we know, P by B. Here P is 3 upon 4. Cos theta as we know, B upon H. B is here 4, H is 5. Cos theta, sin theta, P upon H. P is here 3, H is 5. Now we will put the value of tan theta in LHS. This is LHS. LHS 1 minus tan square theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. 1 minus tan square theta, the value of tan theta is 3 by 4. So 1 minus 9 upon 16. 1 plus 9 upon 16. Here LCM 16. 16 minus 9. Also LCM is here 16. 16 plus 9. 16 minus 9 7 upon 16. 25 upon 16. This 16 cancel out. 7 upon 25. This is the value of LHS. Now RHS is cos square theta minus sin square theta. Cos square theta minus sin square theta. Now put the value of cos theta and sin theta. From where? 4 upon 5, 16 upon 25 minus sin theta, 3 upon 5. A square is here. A square of 3, 9 upon 25. LCM is 25. 16 minus 9, 7 upon 25. The value of LHS and RHS are equals. So LHS is equal to RHS. So this is, we have proved. 90, angle ABC is theta here, BC 21, AB 29. Now we have to prove this. This at first, in similar way as we have done in the previous problem, we will construct a triangle, right angle triangle, where C is 90. Here C, we will name this angle as C because C is 90, and C here, this is B, this angle is theta, and this is A. BC is 21, AB is 29. Now we will find the value of AC. By Pythagoras theorem, AC equal to, we know AC equal to under root, this is hypotenuse, AB square minus BC square. AB square is here, AB is 29 square minus 21 square, 29 square, 841, 21 square is the value of 21 square of 21 is 441, and subtract, we will get a square root of 400. 400 square root of 400 is 20. We got the value of AC as 20. Now cos theta and sin theta are involved here. The value of cos theta B upon H, B for this angle, this is P, this is P, this is B, this is H. Cos theta B upon H, B is 21 upon 29, 21 upon 29. Sin theta is P upon H, P is there 20 upon 29, 20 upon 29. Now put the value of cos theta and sin theta in LHS. LHS is here. LHS is here, cos square theta minus sin square theta. The value of cos theta is here 21 by 29. 21 by 29 whole square. Sin theta 20 upon 29 whole square. This is 441 upon 841 minus 400 upon 841. LCM is here. 841, 441 minus 400, 41 upon 841. Same the value of as RHS is equal to RHS proved. Okay. We take problem number 30, exercise 10. If A and B are acute angles such that sin A equal to sin B, then we have to prove angle A equal to angle B. We will take a right angle triangle. Here A and B are acute angles. This angle A and this angle B. This is C. This is C. For this angle perpendicular is BC, hypotenuse is AB, and AC will be base. But for angle B perpendicular will be AC, base will be BC, and hypotenuse will be same as AB. Now we take a right angle triangle. We take a right angle triangle at angle C is equal to 90 degree. Angle A and angle B are acute angles. Now we will find the value of sin A and sin B from this figure. The value of sin A equal to sin A. We know sin A equal to P upon H. For angle A, this will be perpendicular BC. P is here BC. H will be AB. BC upon AB. Now find the value of sin B. For angle B, this will be AC will be perpendicular. AC will be perpendicular to AC upon AB. We have found the value of sin A and sin B. Now we are given here sin A equal to sin B. The value of sin A is BC upon AB. The value of sin B is AC upon AB. AB cancel out. Now BC is equal to AC. The sides BC and AC are equal. So this will be an isosceles triangle. Since BC and AC are equal, so angle A will be equal to angle B. Angle A will be equal to angle B. Now we are taking problem number 34. Here x is given cos A plus cos A, y is given cos A minus cos A. Then we have to prove 2 upon x plus y whole square plus x minus 1 upon 2 whole square minus 1 is equal to 0. This is problem. Now solution is at first we will find the value of x plus y and x minus y. Now we will find the value of we will put the value of x, y in LHS. LHS is here given, and we are given here 2 upon x plus y whole square plus x minus y upon 2 whole square minus 1. Now put the value of x and y here. The value of x is cosec A plus cosec A plus cos A. The value of x is here, and the value of y is cosec A minus cos A. Cosec A minus cos A and whole square plus the value of x cosec A minus cosec A plus cos A minus the value of y cosec A minus plus cos A upon 2 whole square minus 1 minus 1. Now cos A and cos A will cancel out. Now cancel cosec A and cosec A. Here the left are here. Cosec A plus cosec A, 2 cosec A. 2 cosec A whole square plus cos A plus cos A, 2 cos A. 2 cos A upon 2 whole square minus 1 minus 1. Now 2 to cancel out. 1 upon cosec A. 1 upon cosec A sin A. We have already proved this. 1 upon cosec A sin A. Here a square, sin square A plus cos square A minus 1. Cos sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. We have already proved. Sin square A plus cos square A 1 minus 1 minus 1 is 0. Here is equal to RHS.